In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make an image circle in Canva and then make the background transparent. So go to canva.com, click on create, and then we need a square canvas to put this on. So I'm just going to search for logo so we can get the closest thing, which is going to be 2000 by 2000 pixels. We'll use this as a base template. Now what we can do is upload our image. So if you go to uploads on the left, you can then go ahead and add your image. If you click upload files, this file explorer will open and then you can choose your image. I'll just drag this one on as an example. Once you've dragged your image on, you can then go to elements in the top left hand corner, and then on elements you need to go and search for frames. So type in here frame and then click search. Then you'll see the frames. You can click see all and you should see the circle one, which you can drag on. Then you need to hold and left click on your image and just snap it here to the frame. If you double click on it, you can then move what points you want showing in the frame and make it bigger or smaller, and then click done. Now you can click on the frame and edit it as one, so we can resize this to be the size of our square. Now we've done that, we just need to remove the background. To do that, go to share in the top right and then click download. You now want to download it as a PNG file, and then if you've got Canva Pro, click transparent background, and then you can download it with a transparent background. Click download, and it then should remove the white background.